Now that I think about it, it probably wasn't the best idea to do. I never have this mic in the right spot, dude. Also, check this out. This is happening for my chair, so I need to get a different kind of recording spot because that keeps happening. As you guys can see, we have a lot of freaking iPhone 11 cases right now. These are all from the same company, iBlason. We're just gonna do a complete haul. We're gonna unbox all of these and see what they are because I've not seen a single case for the iPhone 11 yet, like in person. And this is, I mean, as you guys know, I unboxed an iPhone 11 like clone dummy model. And if you guys want to watch that, I'll be in one of these corners right here. But yeah, I unboxed this, and this is what the iPhone 11 is gonna feel like. It obviously looks a little bit different than this clone right here. The glass is different and everything like that on the camera, but for the most part, it's gonna look similar to like the iPhone 10. So yeah, we're just gonna unbox these cases. I think I dropped some over here. Let me get those. We're gonna unbox this one really quick. So this one says iPhone 2019 5.9 Cosmo SP Green. So I'm thinking they already knew that there was gonna be green color before like the actual drop. Whoa, okay. Whoa, this is actually really good packaging. Okay, it says thank you for being awesome. What can I say? Whoa, yo, this case is clean.
Oh, that's nice.
Did you rock this case? It's kind of big.
I like the. Is that marble?
Yeah, it looks like marble. So for this one, it has like a front screen protector right here. So that's actually pretty nice. So you can like protect against like little scratches and stuff like that. Yo, that looks real. Like,
Hello.
hello? What's good? It's a blue. I think it's the same thing but blue. Probably. Oh, yo, these are all like, it's like the same exact kind of style, except it looks a little bit, like the design's a little bit different, but it's like super good quality. Like, I like the text at the bottom too. It's like gold text and it matches the gold from the camera. So I actually like that one a lot. And it's like a water, like with sand kind of, it looks like. All right, guys, so the next one is 5.8-inch Cosmo. It's a marble. These are all so cool. Yeah, so it's pretty much the same exact, these look like super good quality too. Like, pretty much all like the same kind of like marble kind of texture to all of them. So I actually kind of I like that they're all like sticking with the marble look for this one. I think that's what the Cosmo series is like all about, is like making it look like marble. So that's pretty cool. I like that one a lot too. iPhone 2019 5.8 hollow black. Too bad I'm not getting the iPhone, like the regular iPhone 11. Yo, that is super. It's like, so yeah, guys, this is pretty much just like a transparent case, except it's like dark on like the edges. And that looks so clean. Like, I would rock this case right here. I don't know about those other cases. They look really, really cool, but they're not really my style. But I like this one a lot just because it's super simple, super minimal design, and I like how they like made the edges like a little bit darker. So yeah, that one was the 5.8-inch Halo Black. I like that one a lot, actually. So these are all Cosmo, and they all like have the same kind of design. Yeah, guys, these are. I actually kind of like the marble. It's like a different kind of pattern for each like shape. It's like a different kind of marble like pattern, which is really cool. So these are all like, oh, and then it has like a purple bumper, or not bumper, I don't even know, like outline. I don't even know what to call that.
Oh, like a guard.
Yeah, I don't even know. This one is the Aries SP Black. Let's see what this one looks like. Actually, also, guys, I forgot to mention, I love like the like packaging on all these cases. It's like super simple and minimal, and they just actually look really good. And it doesn't look like they use like too much plastic. Honestly, this is just like cardboard. They did use like plastic here, but I mean, that's like a thick boy. That's like an OtterBox, pretty much. I don't really, if you guys been to the channel long enough, you guys know that I don't really like thick cases too much, but if you drop your phone a lot, this is probably be a good case to get just because it's super bulky in the edges. Every single edge has it's thicker on each edge, so if you drop it on the edge, which that's most of the time where you're gonna drop it, it's gonna add like a little bit more protection than like a normal case. So that's cool if you drop your phone a lot. And if you don't mind thicker cases, but I don't really like thicker cases. This one is called the Aries SP Green. I think that was the Aries SP Black. So I think this will be the same. They knew this color, there was going to be a green color. So like, okay. So yeah, it's like this. It's like the new iPhone 11 green color. Yeah, it's pretty much the same exact thing as the black one. It does have like a little lighter green on the edges. So yeah, this is like a military green. It's like the same exact green on the new iPhone 11s that it's coming. So it's gonna match your phone perfectly if you get the green color on the iPhone 11. So yeah, it's pretty much the same exact one as the black one, except it's green. So this is the same thing. Oh whoa, it's like black, and then like the. What are those things, like the details? Not the details, but like or like some small things are like a different color. But yeah, so there's like small hints of blue on this one, which is pretty cool. But like is that dark blue or just black? Yeah, it's like black and then like a very vibrant blue on the edges, which is accents. That's what I was thinking of. Yeah, it has like blue accents. Then the last one of this series is the clear one. So this is just a regular clear case. Oh yeah, it's just a clear case, literally clear, just like the black one, but it's just like 100% clear.
That would be good for if you like the color of your iPhone and you don't want to hide it. You just want to show like.
Yeah, you just want to show, especially if you got the lavender color or the green color. This would look really good because you can actually see the color. Because I would imagine a lot of people are gonna get clear cases for these next iPhones just because they're all different colors. So and you want to express what color you got. So I think clear cases are gonna be a big hit for this phone, and this is actually really good because it's very protective. Unicorn Beetle is what these all are called, I think. Unicorn Beetle, iPhone 2019 5.8 UB clear. So I think this is just another clear case. This one is a clear case, except it looks like it doesn't have as many it's not as detailed. Like it's a little bit more simplified than the other clear case, which I mean the more simple the better for me personally, but yeah, this one's just super simple. Like I said, clear cases are probably going to be very, very popular. So probably get a clear case if you want to show what color you got. 2019 5.8 UB black. It's like a matte black. Same thing as the clear case, but it has like a matte black, and it has a very cool like sound to it. A matte black like border around it, which is pretty cool, especially if you get like a white or black phone. I think this will look, no matter what color you get, it's going to look good with like the black. Do you think so? Like the black border, it's gonna look good with any color. Yeah, so it's just, whoa, it's like a shiny, it's like a chrome blue. That's actually clean. There's no blue phone though. But yeah, guys, this one looks pretty cool. It's like a chrome border. It's like I said, it's a clear back, and it's like a chrome blue border. So yeah, if you want to be a little bit more stylish, want to stand out a little bit more, and like have your phone be a little shinier than it already is, then this would be a really, really good case for you just because of the chrome border, and it's like clear on the back so you can see the actual color of your phone. I don't know if it would look good for all colors though, just because it's like a blue color back like on the side. So I don't know if it would look good for all colors, but if you get like just a black or white, I'm sure it would look good. All right, guys, this one's called the UBE Co SB Black. What the heck is that? Yeah, this is pretty much the same exact thing. Oh, it's like the same thing. That looks good. All right, guys. So yeah, is that like chrome or is it just like, yeah, it's like a metallic gray. I don't know if I would call it black. It's more of a gray, I would say. And it says Supcase on it. This is like the model. It's called Supcase. This model is called the Supcase. But yeah, pretty much the same thing. It matches also the camera layout. This is the last version of the Supcase one. It's a green, and of course it did green because they knew. Yet again, it's gonna be a green. Yeah.
That's really nice.
This one would look amazing if you had the green iPhone.
Who does that remind you of? Like what villain?
The Green Lantern.
The Green Goblin.
Green Goblin.
Spider-Man.
Yeah, that's true. But yeah, guys, it's pretty much the same exact. Subcases are all pretty much gonna be the same kind of like, obviously same model. It's just gonna be a different kind of color around the borders. So this is a nice like darkish green. I don't know if it would metallic. They're not metallic.
Definitely like a chrome metallic.
All right, guys. Now we're going with the thick boys right here. We got two of these thick boys right here. It is called the 2019 UB Pro SB Black. Yo, this is the dad case.
Oh.
It has the clip on it.
That's
I could just be like this. I could rock it like that. What's going on, guys? Wait. Oh, how do I take it out? Here we go. What's good? I'm also gonna unbox this one just because it's gonna be the same exact kind of thing. It's like a bait. It's like a blue. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this case looks like very high quality. To be honest, I'm not even like it seems super high quality. This is obviously for the people. They know they drop their phones a lot, or they know they're in like rough work environments. Yeah. So this case is. I can already tell this is going to be super, super, like, protective. Oh, it's like a little stand. Ow. Oh.
That's cool.
So you can be, you could be scrolling Instagram like that. Oh, yeah, you could do it like this. Can you? Yeah, you could just watch a movie like that. So if you want to, you're on your lunch break or something like that. You just want to watch some Netflix, some Office or something like that. Or, you want to watch one of my videos. And you just go like this. And you're just watching. If you're getting this new iPhone 11, these would be really, really good cases because I can already tell that these are really like super good quality. The detail is insane on these cases as well. I just want to give a huge shout out to iBlason for these cases and also for this iPhone 11 dummy model, so I could try out these cases and see what they actually look like and feel like and everything like that. Super high quality, super nice. And yeah, guys, if you're looking forward to getting some cases, I would highly recommend these cases right here. They will all be linked down in the description below. And don't worry, guys, there's going to be a lot more iPhone 11 videos coming up. So please drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more content. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much going to be it. I'll see you guys next video. Do you want to say peace?
Peace.
No, you got to do it in the mic. Anyways, guys, I will see you. Peace. See you later.